dear friends, how are you? Welcome to the Talentrix channel. Talentrix, we driven to explore talents from students in podcast industry. Do listen our audio-visual blogs in Kannada, English and in Hindi. Do subscribe and press the bell button for regular updates. My dear friends, do you know how and why electricity is used in different ways these days? I think you know about something. There are nuclear power, hydropower, solar, coal renewable energy, etc. etc. Along with this, wind turbine is also one. You know about this? Oh, it's okay. Today, Preksha is with us to talk about this topic. Now, let's see what Preksha has to say about a wind turbine.
Hello everyone, I'm Preksha Dharwad from Govt Adarsha Vidyalaya, Dharwad. So, electricity is important, right? But where is it generated? Yes, it's by wind turbines. Our topic for now is wind turbines. First, let's know what is wind turbine. Wind turbines are the modern version of windmills. Put simply, they use the power of wind to create electricity. Large wind turbines are the most visible, but you can also buy a small wind turbine for individual purpose, like for example, to provide power to a caravan or a boat. Oh, that made sense. Now, let's look at some facts of wind turbines. Wind turbines may look simple, but they actually are very complex. A single wind turbine can stand almost 4 times as high as Optus Stadium. A wind turbine blade can be around 90 meters long. Private wind turbines could be more popular in the future. Wind turbines usually operate for around 20 years. Wind turbines can be repurposed. And now, let's see some uses of wind turbine. Wind turbine can be used to pump water and can be used for sawmilling of timber, milling grains, drainage pumping, oil extraction from seeds, and machining and etc. Woo! Wind turbines are really useful. Now, let's see their types. There are 3 primary types of wind turbines. They are VWAT Savonius, HWAT Toward, VWAT Darius as they appear in operation. Wind turbine can rotate about either a horizontal or a vertical axis, the former being both older and more common. They can also include blades or be bladeless. Yeah, that's great. But why a wind turbine to generate electricity? Wind turbines harness energy from the wind using mechanical power to spin a generator or create electricity. Not wind only is an abundant or inexhaustible resource, but it also provides electricity without burning any fuel or even without polluting the air. Oh, that's really great. Wind turbines are created. But who did it first? The wind turbines were first created by Professor James Blyth. The first known wind turbines was said to have built in Scotland, United Kingdom by Professor James Blyth of Anderson's College in Glasgow, which is now Strathclyde University. This turbine measured 10 meters high and was originally installed in the garden of Blyth's holiday home. Wait, only the first wind turbine was 10 meters long. But on average, wind turbines' blades size are 116 feet in length. They are still manageable for truck transport at this length. However, the truck transportation infrastructure has been challenged by the development toward larger, taller wind generators with blades approaching 200 feet long. Oh, and earlier I mentioned the first creator of wind turbine. But did I mention the year or how old it was? No. Actually, wind turbine was created in July 1887, meaning wind turbines are 136 years old. Ooh, that's way too much. Did you also know that a wind turbine is 280 feet long? Yes, the 280 feet long wind turbine is installed in US. While talking about types of wind turbines, I said VAWT and HAWT. But what are their full forms? They are vertical axis wind turbine and horizontal axis wind turbine. Okay, now let's glance at the parts of wind turbine. A wind turbine consists of a nacelle, rotor blades, hub, low-speed shaft, gearbox, high-speed shaft with its mechanical brake, electrical generator, yaw mechanism, electronic generator, and more. Do you know Bill Hieronymus? He is known as the father of turbines. And do you know world's largest wind turbine? It is Goldwind GWH2 52 16 MW. Also, they are alternating current electricity AC, and speed of wind turbine is usually 40 meter per second, 1,300,000 US dollar per megawatt. That's a lot. Now let's see the role of turbine. A turbine is a machine that transfers rotational energy from a fluid that's picked up by a rotor system into usable work or energy. Turbines achieve this either through mechanical gearing or electromagnetic induction to produce electricity. Now let's have a look at how wind turbines are built. The steel sections of the tower may be made off-site in a factory, but they are normally assembled on the site. The parts are bolted together and the tower is kept in a horizontal position till it is placed. The tower is lifted into position by a crane. Bolts are tightened and on completion, stability is tested. Yeah, it takes a lot of process, but where are these wind turbines created first? Like, where were these actually? These wind power generation took place in the United Kingdom and United States in 1887 and 1888. But modern wind power is considered to have been first developed in Denmark, where horizontal axis wind turbines HAWT were built in 1891, and a 22.8 meter wind turbine began operation in 1897. So basically, nowadays, maybe like a few years ago, in Denmark, the wind turbines were created. It does not even require electricity, right? But do wind turbines start on their own, or does it need a device? Wind turbines can only start turning when the wind is strong enough. The start of wind speed or cut-in wind speed of wind turbine defines the basic wind speed for the turbine to start turning. At last, let's see how a wind turbine works. Wind turbines use blades to collect the wind's kinetic energy. Wind flows over the blades, creating lift, similar to the effect on airplane wings, which causes the blades to turn. The blades are connected to a drive shaft that turns an electric generator which produces or generates electricity. Hoping this information helped you to know more about wind turbines, I'd like to conclude my words. Thank you.
My dear friends, I hope you have learned a lot from today's video, and so many more videos on new topics. Please visit our www.talentrix.co.in. Thank you.